Welcome to G&T's Kitchen. This is Abacha, an Igbo delicacy from southeastern Nigeria. I love this. I got to know that you could prepare Abacha stir fried, no potash, no account. Please continue watching. Here are the ingredients needed for Abacha. I have the Abacha here. It's made from cassava. I also got Ugba. All this you can get in any local market. Also onions. It's a stir fry, chopped onions. And I've got here ehu, African calabash nutmeg, crayfish, and plenty of Cameroon pepper. I have a thing with eating crayfish, so I'm using the Cameroon pepper to max it up. I have here scotch bonnet or atarodo, ogiri okpe. Yeah, I got that. Palm oil, salt to taste, seasoning cube, fried fish or grilled if you want it grilled, garden egg. I'm going to add garden egg to it, and for garnishing as well. And then I've got utasi, that's the vegetable I'm going to use. I'll start by blending what needs to be blended. I'll remove the skin of the African calabash nutmeg. So that has been blended. So the pepper and the ogiri too, it has been blended. Now to the abacha. I'm going to pour hot water on this and soak it for 2 or 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I've rinsed it with water at room temperature. Set that aside. Heat up some oil in a pan, just enough. It's heated up. I'm adding the onions to it. So the onions are frying. Mix it up. We don't want it too dry. So I'm adding the pepper and the ogiri okpe to it. It has been blended. The blended crayfish, African calabash nutmeg, and the Cameroon pepper. Mix everything together and continue frying. Next, I'm going to add the seasoning cube. I'm using chicken seasoning cube. After a minute or so, I've added the Ugba. This is optional. I've added some chopped garden egg to it. You can just use it for garnishing alone, but I'm adding it for extra crunch. Meanwhile, I have turned off the heat so that I do not overcook it. And lastly, the star of the meal is the abacha. I'll pour it in. As I said earlier on, the heat is off, so I'm going to give it a very good mix. And finally, I'm going to add some salt to it, some utazi leaves, just a little bit. Give it a good mix and serve with the fried fish, and then use the onion rings and every other thing for garnishing. Thank you very much for watching.